crypto bull markets, crypto bear markets, doesn't matter what part of the crypto journey we're in. I get these thoughts that I want to document. And, I document them through a lot of my technical analysis videos. And this particular video, I'm just out and about, and I was just thinking, because I was reading through some comments online. I want to document this. This is what I'm documenting is how bullish I am. How bullish I absolutely am right now. I am more bullish now than I was at all-time highs that we all experienced, most of us experienced together just months ago. It was just happening. I'm more bullish now than I was then. And the reason why this is because I think there's a bunch of different reasons. But number one, my first bear market, full-fledged bear market, was the 2018 bear market. And I think there's a lot of you out there that kind of had a similar experience. We went from $20,000 Bitcoin all the way to sub $4,000 Bitcoin. That was quite the journey. And for me, studying the charts that whole way down, I was kind of like, I totally believed that it would eventually bottom and it would go back up, right? But I had this doubt in me. I had this, I don't want to say fear, but kind of just like this lingering feeling of doubt. And I stuck with the consistencies of the charts. I stuck with the consistencies of the data and what it was telling us about crypto in general. And Bitcoin eventually, it happened. There was a supply shock and it continued back to the upside and eventually broke $20,000. Now, surviving that whole period of time, it did something for me, and it solidified that initial reason why I got into crypto and I stayed in crypto through the last bear market. It solidified that reason with so much confidence. And along that part of the journey and in that bear market, as a content creator, I collected a lot of data, and that data was basically kind of like a social sentiment data. And what I mean by that is just the comment section in general offers so much value to us in determining what kind of part of the cycle we're in. And we have kind of the confluence of negative headlines. Once again, we have negative news. Let's face it, there's a lot going on in the world. There's the fear of inflation not coming down soon enough. There's the fear of how long and how high will they raise interest rates for. There's all of this, but just that negativity across the broader spectrum. And then we have these negative comments. And I can't tell you enough, everybody, this data point is so valuable to me, and it makes me so bullish because it reminds me of the 2018 bottoming out period, where we had in the comments section just people that, and you can see it, you can go look at this data yourself. There are people in the comment section that, I'm a content creator, I'm just tracking Cardano, I'm tracking Bitcoin. It's what I do, right? And I'm trying to do so that I personally can anticipate what's next. I can be ready for it. I'm not necessarily really trading. It's not really my style, but we're tracking the charts for that purpose. And there are a lot of people, especially now, and this is how it is in these bearish times, that genuinely seem to take personal offense. They genuinely seem to hate me. Just for being a guy out here pressing record, filming a video, talking about crypto, talking about Cardano and Bitcoin. Let's face it, Bitcoin, this whole entire downtrend at one point was down over 60%. Cardano down over 85% at one point. Like, these are big dips for crypto. And so in that environment, I'm covering crypto with really a positive attitude, with an optimistic attitude. And it's really irritating a lot of people. And I wish it wouldn't, because I wish those people would not only just be more friendly, but I wish they would see the bigger picture. I don't think they realize when I'm just posting a video and maybe it's a positive title, I don't think they realize I'm pulling that from my own experience in crypto. And I think a lot of you out there were in the last bear market and went through that time. And I think a lot of you out there understand what I'm saying right now. But now is the time to be most bullish. This is why I am most bullish. Putting aside all of the, all of the on-chain metrics, all of the crypto adoption that's happening across the world, countries literally adopting crypto. Putting all of that aside, from just this undervalued perspective, from an oversold perspective, from a fear perspective, it's just now is the time to be bullish. The bottom formation could take months. It could be 2022 could be a really, really rough year. 2018 was a rough year. We got through it. We pushed through it. We persevere through it. Persevere to continue a course of action in spite of opposition, difficulty, or discouragement. These are all things we're experiencing. Opposition, difficulty, and discouragement. To remain steadfast. It's the definition of perseverance. And so here we are, and here I am persevering. I'm going to continue creating content. I'm going to continue reading through the commenters that are just so negative, but I'm truly taking that negativity, and I'm telling you, everybody, every time I read it, it's kind of like a little bug, flying around. It's like, get out of here. But on a foundational level, it makes me so bullish when I read through these comments. So I just wanted to do that quick little video. There's so many more reasons why I'm bullish, but that's a very simple one. And it's one that we've seen before, and it's one to pay attention to as crypto does bottom. There's going to be volatility, everybody. Be very careful out there. Find your own approach. I'm just a YouTuber tracking my approach, tracking the data. This isn't financial advice, as you all know, but wanted to share some of those thoughts today. I hope you're having a good day out there. Have an awesome rest of your day. God bless.